Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing this Baleno. This is the Zeta model and we are going to get into the details and talk all about this car in this video. In this video, we are going to be talking about the engine specifications, the transmission that this car comes with. We're also going to be talking about how many kilometers this car has done, how many previous owners this car has, and most importantly, the price. But more important than the price, we are going to be talking about the fact that this car comes with a Motofix unconditional warranty, a 1-year Motofix warranty, and that is when you purchase it with the Motofix Advantage. What is Motofix Advantage? What is the Motofix warranty? We are going to be discussing that in this video. Let's get started. Guys, Motofix is India's fastest growing network of car repair workshops, and we believe in a complete transparent relationship with our customer, a complete hassle-free and transparent relationship with our customer. With over 100+ workshops scattered all across the country in 5 major cities and 1.5 lakh happy customers, we understand the importance of car repair and maintenance, especially when it comes to second-hand used cars. And we are happy to introduce to you all Motofix Advantage. Are you planning to buy a used car? Well, you can buy this second-hand car with Motofix Advantage. Well, Motofix Advantage will assure that you will get the best possible deal on your second-hand car. With the Motofix Advantage, you will get a 1-year unconditional warranty on your car, and the car will be taken care of completely with regards to maintenance and repair work, and you have multiple payment options on the car. You also get a best buyback price as well. Now guys, back to the car. This particular Baleno is a 1.2 litre naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine that produces 83 brake horsepower and 113 Newton meters of torque. Now the car that we have in front of us is a 2016 model and has had 2 previous owners. This particular Baleno has done approximately 44,000 kilometers and is a Mumbai passing. Now this particular Baleno is the Zeta model, and hence you get the alloy wheels. These are the company fitted 16-inch alloy wheels. In this variant, you also get inbuilt infotainment system with controls on the steering wheel, and you also get automatic climate control. Other features that are available with this Zeta model is you get the start-stop button, you get an inbuilt infotainment system from the company with reverse parking sensors, and you get this auto-dimming rear-view mirror. As standard, you also get 2 airbags in this car as safety. Now coming to the exteriors of this Baleno has very few scratches and dents on it, and as per our Motofix Advantage, we get our technicians to examine the car from the exterior, the interior, and even the mechanical moving parts, all the mechanical moving parts, and also the electronic fixtures on the car. Everything is examined, and we have a detailed checklist which is done when we examine the car before we sell it to you with a Motofix Advantage. By doing so, we can provide an unconditional 1-year warranty on the car that you purchase from us. Now talking about denting and painting, well, this car does not have any. But if you have a car lying at home which has a dent or a scratch which you have been ignoring for the longest time, you can contact us with the WhatsApp number given below, or you can go on to our website and register for a denting repair work on your car, and you will get the best deal. Our head technician is now going to be examining the car, inspecting the car completely from inside, from outside, to ensure that you get a perfect car. We are going to be examining all the electronic components of the car. We're also going to be checking the suspension and all the mechanical movements, making sure that everything is perfect for when you purchase the car. By doing so, we are able to give you a 1-year unconditional Motofix warranty on the car. Now coming to the maintenance aspect, the maintenance of this Baleno has to be done every 6 months or 10,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. The maintenance of this Baleno with Motofix will cost you 2,799 rupees, and in that what we do is a complete oil change and a filter change, an oil filter change. We do a lot of other work in our basic servicing as well on your car, and you can check out that detailed video on our YouTube channel. Spare parts for Maruti cars are available all across India, and the maintenance is extremely low for Maruti Suzuki cars. If you purchase a car from Motofix Advantage, we will provide you with a hassle-free and an extremely pocket-friendly service and maintenance on your car. During the service, we at Motofix use only genuine OEM parts on your car, and we have 100+ workshops all across India, and we provide up to 45% savings on the work that is done on your car as compared to authorized service centers. Our team of expert technicians take care of your car at all times, and we use the latest in technology. We also provide a real-time update of the work that's getting done on your car, with a free pickup and drop service as well. We are a one-stop solution when it comes to any automobile-related service and maintenance. Now coming to the most important part of the video, the price of the car. This car is available with Motor Fix Advantage for 5,69,999, and you can call up on the number below or WhatsApp for more information about this car. You can also avail a sweet discount on your car by contacting the number below. This car is also available with easy finance options with 80 to 85% of the finance covered for 5 years. Guys, if you all enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more automobile related content. We also have made videos on our car services where you can get a detailed video of what service and what we do on your car, the genuine OEM parts that we use on your car. So guys, if you're looking to buy a second-hand car, remember guys, you can get this car with MotorFix Advantage for an extremely sweet deal. Make sure to contact the number below. Anyway, I hope to see you in the next video. Cheers.